Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be doing a look from the Modern Renaissance palette. Everybody has this palette. If you know anything about makeup, if you're anybody with any makeup, you should have this palette. Comes with a whole lot of pretty colors. Mine is a little messy now. So stay tuned. If you want to know how to do your eyebrows, you can go to my brow tutorial. It's my very first upload, and there I'll teach you how to style and do your brows. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start off by priming your eyes. I like to do with concealer. Now we can go ahead and start with our shadows. So, from the Modern Renaissance, you want to take burnt orange. This is one of my favorite brushes to use for the crease. Then you want to take raw sienna just to blend out any harsh lines that might be left over. You want to take Cypress Umber on a fluffy brush so you can just define your crease. I got these from AOA Studios. They were $1. For this portion, you want to make sure that you kind of take it slow. Just kind of build up that color into your crease because this is really going to define that eye look. Don't be afraid to add more if needed. Now you want to begin your cut crease steps. Start lightly because concealer can be a little too thick sometimes, especially Anastasia Beverly Hills. You want to start light and low. Then you want to take Primavera. You want to take Real Gar on a Morphe MB10 brush. Just to add that splash of color to your lower lash line. Tattoo liner by Kat Von D. So I did my top liner off camera, but the bottom liner, you just really have to stay on your waterline and make sure you don't run off track. Now you want to add mascara. Here I have Too Faced Better Than Sex. When applying the mascara, you want to make sure you cover all lines that aren't darkened. I love this illuminating moisturizer because it smells like Skittles and it was free from Sephora for my birthday. So, you know, if it's free, it's for me. And just because it was my first time using the illuminating moisturizer, I just wanted to make sure that I primed my face just so my application of makeup could go on a little smoother. Now you want to begin the process of contouring. You know, the little shape we do under our eyes as a downward triangle, just so you can cover up those dark lines underneath your eyes. Sometimes I just contour, but I'm starting to get more into contouring my nose to make it slimmer. I like to use the darkest shade in my Modern Renaissance palette. That's the Cypress Umber, just for now while I'm doing a little practicing on contouring and slimming down my nose. So from common knowledge so far, you want to get the brown contour lines as close to the tan line as possible. That way you can have a slimmer fit for your nose. And then you want to take a fluffy brush and just kind of soften those harsh lines out that you use to contour your nose. Once you're finished with the contour routine, you want to take your foundation. Here I have MAC foundation in the 5.0. Also, make sure you blend your foundation into your neck as well. That way it matches perfectly with your face. Next, you want to go ahead and rosify your cheeks and get some blush. Best to apply with a round fluffy brush. Most people like to smile when applying blush, just so you can accurately get the apples of those cheeks. Then you want to gloss them lips up, baby. Take a golden highlighter just to go with Primavera on your lid and just start going to town. Just make the angles of your face just pop with a shimmer. And also add the highlighter to your nose and Cupid's bow just for extra shimmer. I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. You want to make sure every look is based with a setting spray so it can just basically stay flawless throughout the day. And here comes the fun ass slow motion.
Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed.